A very good morning, dear students. First of all, we thank our Lord for keeping us safe and healthy by showering His blessing upon us. Let's get started with our new academic year. So, welcome to English Class 8. Today, we are going to start with Unit 1, Lesson Hobby Turns a Successful Career. What is hobby? Everyone have their own hobbies. One likes to draw, one likes to sing, dance, painting, writing, reading, etc. So let's get back to our lesson hobby. In this lesson, we have two characters named Money and his grandfather. Once there was a boy named Money. He was studying at the school in his village. He found it difficult to read and write. His grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Gradually, he started reading on his own. Now he not only enjoyed reading but also has started writing his own stories. So let's read an essay written by Money. Hobbies are the activities that we do in our spare time. It means useful time. Hobbies are unique, means common. To people, some like gardening, a few like photography, many have books reading as their hobby. While other hobbies are swimming, stamp collection, playing video games, and many more. People have hobbies not only to pass their free time but also to do something useful. Hobbies help people learn new things, relax after a tired day, and to energize their bodies and mind. Same in the case with me. I love writing, so it is my hobby. This is written by Money. So here we seen how the Money has written an essay after he got interested in writing and reading. This has happened because of his grandfather. So what is his IQ? He thinks that writing is a unique hobby, and he thinks that the hobby done whenever we are tired, it makes us fresh. They refresh themselves. Some people feels that writing is tough, but Money do not think so. He feel writing is painting his own voice. When he get free time, he start writing whatever he loves to write. Whenever he pick a pen and a notebook, he start painting by ideas in his words. He writes stories, poems, and sometimes about his feelings. His mind gets relaxed. When he writes, he get into the imagination world. He imagine everything, whatever he like. Automatically, magically, he start writing. He flies like a bird, can talk each and every. It means he loves to write. He loves to write, learn, read. He become a best writer. Although writing is just a hobby for him, yet it is very beneficial. It opens his mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. Now it makes him more passionate about his life. It makes him learn new things and enjoy every moment of his life. So Money's writing helped him a lot in school. In the beginning, he was unable to describe things, but now, after his writing experience, it made him easy to understand things, get new ideas, and this made him a good writer. So, writing has become Money's hobby. Now he spent his time on learning how to write in different forms like fiction and non-fiction. Now I hope children you all have understand the importance of hobby. So what we learn from this story, hobby is also helps us in achieving goals. Children, let's end up our story session today. Stay safe, stay home.